Right, phone ran out of memory because of all the Charlie's videos, so I'm going to quickly put this back together and hope you can see what I'm doing. Because I haven't got a lot of time, because it took ages to transfer those. Right. It's the old, that's the new, and the shim's on. Didn't bother buying a casing, because there's nothing wrong with that casing. I use red and tacky Lucas grease. Keeps the water out, and I don't know, it's just my personal preference. As I said in my other videos, which I probably won't bother using now, these little Tamiya, I say little, it's a 110, CR-01 chassis, also known as a rock socker. I'd never heard of them. Took an absolute beating off the kids when we took them out the other weekend and stripped the internal spines on one of the diff gears. Now apparently the one that comes in the kit isn't an uprated carrier, and I was advised to use the original one, and yeah, I can see why. Getting dark here now, I don't know whether you can see. That's the hardened one, that's not. So I'm going to do as he said. And use the original carrier. There's not really much wear on those original ones. I mean, Tamiya, I've been going for long enough, so you wouldn't expect them to use rubbish. So anybody can do this. Put your mind to it. It's just take it to pieces. Do it methodically, and you can put it back together, no problem. Parts are available. And the best thing to do is to start off with something, but don't expect it to do everything that you see in all these YouTube channel videos where they're testing them to the max and they're doing things because they can afford to do it. You can still have fun with RC cars without breaking the bank. We started off with FTX, we've still got FTX. Charlie actually started off with the WO Toys, and we still have that car. We don't run it anymore because we've now got a choice. But it doesn't mean we don't like the FTX models anymore. All the WO Toys, should I say. Just moved on. Now both those spaces came out, so don't have to worry about that. All I need to worry about now is where's it gone? I really hope I didn't put double on that one. But I can't see it. Oh. No, I didn't. It's alright. No. I left that one in there when the video ran out. I'd left that one in there. And that's basically it. Put it back together. Not difficult. Just take your time. magnetic bits. Huh? This isn't RC related, but a good friend of ours has just uploaded his first video to his channel, Shory Life. He's in the process of converting his van into a camper, and he's just started using it. Him and Nikki have done a lot for Charlie since he started his channel. He's been the first to watch every video when I've uploaded it, whether it be 8, 9 o'clock in the evening or 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, well, great little video to start off with, Mike. Hope there's more to come. We'll be doing a shout out on Charlie's channel the next time I upload to Jay, Wayne and Ross, who a couple of clubs that get together. We still have yet. We will be joining you at some point. WL RC Adventures, Lancs RC from the Northwest crew, who he kindly gave a shout out to Charlie on his last video when they went out on the crawling and bashing session. We will meet up with you guys soon, I promise. And this light is really fading, and our bedroom light. This is where I have to do it now at the minute, because our garage is a tip due to having, well, supposedly having work done on the house, so everything's in there. That's why I'm in our bedroom. And I'm waffling and I'm getting lost. Right. There's a diff pin that goes in there. It's a pretty good idea, actually. Obviously the Traxxas and that have the servos that allow you to lock and unlock your diffs, but this has a physical pin in the gear casing that you can remove with it all back together. So in situ you can take it in and out. Fingers crossed, that's it. Obviously, apart from putting the whole car back together. Yeah, I've got no movement now. And that will probably be the end of the video, because you don't need to watch me putting this back together. I'll put it back in the housing. Hey. Keep doing that off camera, don't I? Just run grease inside there, so that when that's back in, it flings it around itself. Like that. Simple. But it's not simple. It's the most over-engineered RC car I've worked on to date. I can imagine these in kit form being lovely to assemble. What? Can't grip anything. No, I got that to let me take that out. I wasn't going to edit this video, but I probably will, so that you don't have to watch all this being done up. You can, because they are a pretty good kit and they don't push through, so you have to. And I don't use power tools. Hello, Mrs. You coming on the video as well, are you?
I want to
Pardon?
twist it.
If it wasn't covered in grease, I'd let you. But it's covered in. It's covered in grease. Can you smell it? Whoops. That's all the way through.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Can you? Oh dear.
It's because of the smell.
Is it?
Because
Give over. It's not that bad.
I do not like that smell.
You don't like that smell.
No,
You definitely don't want to touch that then.
I do.
You don't know. You're not with that dress on.
Well, I can definitely.
Wait, that's it. Hey, it's all right. It's all right. You're not going to break that by sitting on it.
Want to.
It's greasy, miss.
No, why have
Oh,
the sleeves?
I know you have. Everybody's watching. No. I'm not letting you touch.
I haven't even touched.
I know. Good. I don't want you getting grease all over your fingers.
How the?
Leave it then.
Can I stick that on then?
No, it's just there. It's too big, that. Just finishing up. Just change the gears.
Oh. What are them for?
Those, they're
Yeah.
spares.
Oh. What is even that for?
I've asked you not to touch, haven't I? You get greasy fingers. You get it on your dress. Then you'll be in trouble with Mum.
I haven't even got greasy fingers.
Well, you can't see it, I know.
I washed my hands.
Good.
Greasy fingers.
Dirty.
Oh, greasy fingers. Oh. You've dropped one.
But what are you doing? I'm not using that.
But.
But what?
Why can't you twist it?
And put all the grease that's inside there now. Getting separated all over the gears.
Oh.
Right.
Barbie's gone off.
Barbie finished now.
No, it isn't.
It's not.
No,
It's either has or it hasn't. Has it or not?
it's gone off. It's gone off a different way.
All right.
But I don't know. What is that?
I want to taste it, no.
What is that? No. What is it?
It's grease.
I don't want to taste
No, I didn't. I don't think. I'm not trying to let you taste it. Right.
Have you tasted it?
No, I ain't tasted it. No. Right. So we'll go and sort that. I've done that. That's enough for today.
I know what you're doing now, I think.
You know what I'm doing now. Good, because I don't.